Now there are 5 formulas, like they are just to manipulate 6 formula. You can see just to manipulate the string values. So these are quite simplified. I will be going through them very quickly. So start with the left. It will be getting the number of letters from left side of the string. So let's say I get value from B1, sorry, A1, and ask him to give first three letters. So you can see well, and right is opposite of left, and I will be getting value from same column and same cell, and I will be asking to give me the value from right. So you can see welcome, and mid, it will be starting from the mid of a number of characters, like maybe if it is 6, it will be dividing it and getting starting index will be 3, and then the number of characters afterwards. So mid, and text again I will be getting E1, and start number, you can say start from 3, and number of characters 3. So you can see it is getting the value from mid and starting from 3. If I say start from 4 and give me 3, so you can see starting from 4 and giving 3 values, and lower is just to give everything is in the lower case, like E1 it will lower the case, and for upper it will everything will be in upper. And proper, so in the case of proper, anything in the word which you can say if it is in the upper lower case and mixture of things, it will be giving you the first letter in the upper and rest will be the in the lower case. So any word, first letter will come as upper and rest will be the lower case. So let's implement the 3 examples for that. First you can see this, let's do this proper and give it this value. Let's see the results. So you can see first letter of each word is in upper and rest are in the lowercase. So let's do the another example where all are in lowercase. So you can see the same output. And then another example where all are in uppercase. So you can see the output is same.